Hello everybody and welcome to video 2 of our guide to Google Classroom. Last time we looked at logging in and making sure that we had the correct username and password and how to access the classroom that we need. Today we're going to look at what the home page of Google Classroom looks like, talk about the stream and also the classwork section. So I'm going to share my screen with you so that you can see everything. And we entered our username and our password. Remember, that is your Chromebook login plus @dringhouses.co.uk, and the password is the same as your Chromebook login. Once you've accessed your classroom, you will see this page. This is called the stream, and the stream is a bit like a news feed. It puts everything into one place. All messages and assignments are posted on this page, and you can just scroll up and down if you've maybe missed something in the past. Messages and assignments can be posted on here, and you can respond or ask questions. So here, there's a post from Mrs. Skidmore all about National Bird Day. And if you would like to ask a question or you'd like to make a comment, all you have to do is click on Add Class Comment, and you can type your comment. It could be a question for your teachers, or it could be a comment about the activity. So it could be, thank you for posting this, Mrs. Skidmore. And then you might ask a question, how many times a week should I try and complete this? Make sure that you do read the assignment carefully before you ask the question, because it might be that there's already an answer in there. And then you just press the arrow to send a comment. Now, children can respond on this. It is a learning platform though, and teachers do have the power to mute or remove comments if they are inappropriate. So as we would in any use of the internet, please make sure that you think carefully before you post a comment. That's the news feed really, that's the stream. It just has everything in one place. Excuse me. Now, if you would like to access your classwork will be set on a Monday morning, all ready for you to use. But it does go into one big stream, which can sometimes be quite confusing. So if you want something more specific, all you do is click classwork at the top. And there will be a timetable and a guide posted. Every single week you will get a timetable of how we suggest that you use your time. That's a really good place to start. And all you have to do is click on the subject that you want to look at. So in this case, I might be looking at English. And to open your assignment, you just click on the bar at the top. And here you can see everything that has been set by your teacher. Now in this case, there's a short blurb, and then you've got all of the documents that you need to use. So all you have to do is click on the resources and it will open for you. So in this case, there is an attached PowerPoint that you can scroll through. There's also other documents that your teachers might add. They might add PDFs of things. They might add any resource that you might need for that lesson. There's usually as well a blank document, and that's something that you can then add your work into. So here we have got an example. All you do is click on that and it will open in Google Docs. Sorry, my computer's quite slow here. All you have to do then is just type in your work for that week. So in this case, it was a poem. The child will do all of their learning and type it in. Obviously, it will be better than that. When you're finished, all you have to do is press the X and it will constantly save. Every time you make a change, it will save. And you can see here the last edit was seconds ago. So you close when you're finished. And if you're ready to turn it in, you can just click the Turn In button. You'll then see one attachment will be submitted and you can press Turn In. We will then receive a copy of that, so we can then have a look at it and send you some feedback, send you some marking. If you're really stuck and you don't want to send a comment on the stream, you can send a private comment through your classwork and just type in your question in this bar here. So it could be, I'm really stuck on making a haiku. Can you help me with working out syllables? And then you can post that. If you've decided that you want to make some changes, you can unsubmit your work and you'll get it back to have a look at. There's also the option, if you've maybe done a piece of work on a piece of paper and you haven't typed it, all you have to do is take a photo of it, save it onto your computer. You can click the Add or Create button here. Hopefully you can all see that. And you can link in a file that you've maybe saved somewhere. File, upload, browse, and you can then find the file. It will upload for you, and you can then turn in as you did before. Okay, so that's the main stream and classwork sections. All of your resources will be organised into folders. At the moment, there's only a limited amount, but next week there will be a folder for art, PSHE, all the different subjects that you will need to be doing at home. So you just follow through, look at your subjects, and then you can find the work that you need. You can also click View Your Work, and it will give you a list of all of the things that have been assigned and whether or not you have done it. If you've turned it in, it will say Turn In. If you haven't done it, it will say Assigned. And if you've missed the deadline, it will say Missing as well. Hopefully that shows you everything that you need to know about the stream and the classwork sections. Again, if you do have any questions, please feel free to read the user guides, watch the video again, or contact us through the school office and we will try and help you as best we can. Thank you for watching. Take care.